Hello, good day, traders. It's been a while. Yeah, it's been like 4 days since the last time I posted a video on this channel. So, there's a new strategy I'm working on. I've been working on this strategy for a while now. Just didn't want to bring it up until I get good accuracy. I see the winning rates, right? So I've seen the win rate. It's awesome. It's awesome. So this strategy is for catching of spikes on boom and crash. Crash 1000, boom 1000, crash 500, and boom 500. Okay. It's very simple. It's a very simple strategy. It's a very simple strategy. It's mostly for those new guys that doesn't know how to analyze, or those that are not really free, or maybe they're working or something. So this is the strategy for them. All right. And like I said, it's very simple. So for you to use this strategy, you remember it's for catching of spikes on boom and crash. You need to stay on the 1 minute time frame. You need to stay on the 1 minute time frame. And also, you are using the last zoom level. This is zoom level one. This is zoom level one, this is the zoom level one you're using. This is zoom level you are using. Okay. I mostly use this one. I mostly use this zoom level. All right. But it's still fine if you can use this one, so you'll be able to see what you're doing. But if you use this one, this will be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. You can still see perfectly well. I love using this very zoom level. Okay. So that's how it is. If you're new on our channel, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave some good comments, share our video, and also check the description of this video to join our free Telegram channel. All right. So we are flipping accounts. Okay, if you check my channel, you see we flip accounts to thousands of dollars. So that's what I've been doing lately. Okay, so if you check the free Telegram channel, that's what we are doing, and I'm teaching my people how to stack and flip accounts. You don't really need to have like $1,000 if you start counting in thousands. Start making like $1,000 or more. You just need small equity, small capital. Okay, then if you know how to flip, all you need to know is have a good entry. Once you have a good entry, you'll be able to flip accounts perfectly well. The academy is up. It's open for new members. Anybody that want to sign up, you can sign up. Okay. So like I said, this strategy for boom and crash, got spikes on boom and crash. So I'm also working on how to scalp the boom and crash market with this strategy. Okay. But for now, I'll show you guys how to catch spikes on boom, especially on boom. It's very important to know how to catch spikes on boom. Then the next video, I'll explain better how to use this strategy too. And make sure you watch the strategy to the end to see the parameters or the settings for this strategy. Okay. So now you're using the last zoom level, which is this one. This is the last zoom level. This is what I love using, but you can use this one as well. That's fine. But if you zoom out like this awesome. All right, the last zoom level. So this is what you do. Literally, you wait for markets to drop down under the indicator window. You need to wait for markets to drop down to the oversold zone, which is this one here, this level right there, the oversold zone. Okay, the oversold zone. Okay, the oversold zone. All right, which is gonna be -7 and -8. I'll show you guys the settings, everything. So you need to wait for price to drop to the oversold zone. Okay, once price gets to the oversold zone, you are buying from that zone. You're buying from that zone. Once it touches that zone, okay, you have to wait for. You can see we have under here we have these two indicators. We have the first one, and this. Let me change the color to red. Okay. What's the color? Let me change the color to red so that it will not confuse you guys. Okay. Now you wait for the red indicator to get to the oversold zone. All right. Once it gets to that point, what you need to do will be waiting for the other indicator, which is the blue indicator, to drop down to the oversold zone. Once it touches that zone you're buying. So let's say you're planning to buy with one lot size or with 0.5 lot size. So at around this level, you can decide to, once market touches that, the first red line, you might open a position with 0.25 or zero point 0.2. Then after a few seconds, a few minutes, you can decide to open the second position with the zero point 0.5 to make it with 0.25 to make it zero point 0.5. Okay, that's how to do it. That's how to catch spikes. You don't just jump in and open two positions at once, the entire position at once, because once you do that, it might not spike immediately and it spike much later and might not give you much profit. All right, so you want to open the first position, you split your lot size. You want it to open with one lot size, split it into 2 or 3 places. The first 0.5, then once it touches that zone, then when it touches the second zone, which is this second one, the second line you see there, the second red line you see there, you can decide to open the second position and it's gonna spike. So let's see. The same thing here. Open the first position once it touches the first line and the second position once it gets to the second line. All right. But first of all, you must wait for the red indicator, this red indicator, to get to that line, to touch this line very well, and then start coming down before the blue indicator before the blue indicator gets to that zone and you start opening position. All right. So the duty of this red indicator is to let you know that market has gotten to the oversold zone, so that you get ready for what's going to happen next. So see, every time market touches that level, spikes every time, every time. All right, every time, guys. Every time, guys. So what you do when you're opening your position, look at that. Once you open a position, you need to know, okay, I have a $10 account. How much lot size? What lot size should I use? Okay, you must know your lot size. What lot size should I use? Look at that. How much am I risking for that account? Let's say you have $10 accounts, you can decide to risk $2 or $3. Okay, so if you're risking $3, you need to wait for open the first position and you need to place your stop loss, calculate your stop loss properly, so that once it gets to that $3, it closes. Once it gets to $3, don't over risk your accounts and expect market to spike always. Sometimes it fails. So just know how much you're willing to risk for that particular equity capital, right? So just know the levels that it's going to spike. If it does not spike around that level, it shouldn't go beyond the amounts you're willing to risk. Okay, so that's how it is. Every time, guys. Whenever market touches that zone, it spikes. Whenever market touches that zone, it spikes. All right, so this is something I've been using. I love bringing only my strategy that I've been working over time here. I don't copy strategy from anybody. It's always my own strategy. All right. So this is what I've been using most times at night when I'm a bit lazy to analyze, and I'll be using this to catch spikes. Okay. So every time market touches that zone, it spikes. So let me quickly show you guys the settings. Make sure you smash the like button, guys. Subscribe to this channel. Join a free Telegram channel. Join the Academy for Mentorship. Price action. Everybody needs to know price action. Once you know price action, trust me, no one can take that away from you. All right. And price action does not lack. It does not repent. Okay. It does not repent. So it's always there. You make your money anytime you feel like making. Even if you're working, you can decide to be trading at night or whenever you have your time. Okay, so indicator, we have some indicators here. We have 2 indicators that you'll be using. Use MACD and the marker. Okay, the marker. So the first indicator you're bringing in that will be creating the indicator window one will be the MACD. You're bringing the MACD. The MACD fast EMA is 16, slow EMA is 32, and MACD SMA is 16. Apply to typical price. Okay, then after that, the levels here, we need to have -8 here. This is -8.5. And this one here, we have -7, -7.5. Okay, so that's it. You click on done, and the color, you can choose any color of your choice. I'm using blue. You can use any color of your choice, and that's it. And this signal here, signal, I don't want signal to be shown, so I only want this blue one to be shown. And you click on done. Okay, that's it, guys. You click on done. All right, then you go back again. Go back again. You go back again. This time you're adding the marker. Okay, the marker, that's what you're adding. The period is 50. Levels here we have 0.3. Look at that, 0.3 and 0.7. Okay, you choose the color white, click on done. Then you come down under style, you're using blue or any other color. I'm using red, so you can use any other color that will be visible on your charts. You click on done. Remember, you wait for market to get to those level before you buy. Okay, markets get to those level before you buy. So I'll pick crash and also show you guys the same thing. I don't want this video to be long. Remember, I don't have enough space on my phone, storage space on my phone. So I think that'll be all for now.